When it comes to the voice, we're dealing with one of the most unique instruments in the world. The relationship that we have with the voice is unlike any other instrument because we can't separate ourselves from our instrument like you can with other instruments. You know, other instruments can be stored away once we've finished using them, but this is not the case with the voice. The voice is part of our body, it's part of who we are, and because of this, our lifestyle choices can have a huge either positive or negative impact on our voices. The voice is also very rarely in a fixed position, meaning it can give us different things on different days. Have you ever sung a song really well one day and then the next day when you sing the exact same song, it just isn't working as well for you? Yep, that's pretty much happened to all of us, and that is the voice. It gives you different things on different days, and like I said, our lifestyle choices can really have an effect on the voice. If we're stressed, if we're anxious, if we're not hydrated, if we're lacking in sleep, all of these are going to affect the voice on a day-to-day basis. But you know, these are just some challenges when it comes to the voice. But on top of that, we're dealing with indirect muscle control when it comes to the voice. There are 3 types of muscle control. We have no control, so the muscles that we have no control over, like our heart muscle. Then we have direct control, the muscles that we have direct conscious control over, like our arms and our feet. We have biofeedback happening. We have really good control happening with these muscles. And then we have indirect control, which is what we're dealing with when it comes to the voice, the vocal cords. But when it comes to singing, the muscles of voice respond to abstract thought. We need to think about the abstract thought of pitch, and then our vocal cords will adjust to meet the pitch. We don't generally have any conscious awareness of the vocal cords adjusting. We just think about the pitch, and then they adjust to meet the pitch. But going deeper when it comes to training and really, you know, muscle memory, it's all about sensation, sound, and really creating strong thoughts in our brain, those abstract thoughts. We need to think about the intensity of tone, color, and pitch to create a very strong neural pathway from the brain to the vocal cords. And that is how we train our voice and really just building that muscle memory, building those new coordinations so that you can get what you want from your voice. So when it comes to the challenges of the voice, these are just a few things to consider. But regardless of this, you can really, you know, build in new coordinations. You can really create the voice that you want. If you really put in the work, you will get the results. But it takes a lot of hard work. It takes a lot of discipline. It takes a lot of patience. And yeah, you can do it though. You can do it for sure. So just remember, discipline, practice, patience, repetition, and if you put in the work, the right work, you will get the right results, and that's going to help you to really reach your full and highest singing potential. Peace.